Hi friends, welcome to Parallel People YouTube channel. Today we are going to make hydrogen balloon by using rusted iron nails. We can use any kind of iron pieces, but we are using rusted iron nails because we can also remove rust from these iron nails by doing so. For this we need a thick plastic bottle. Fill this bottle with iron nails. Then we need to add any kind of acids. Here I am using concentrated acetic acid or vinegar. Normally vinegar that is available for us for kitchen household uses are normally diluted. It will take so many hours to make hydrogen balloon by using diluted acids. So I recommend using some strong concentrated vinegar or some other strong acids. Fill this acid all the way up to top so that we do not trap any kind of normal air inside the bottle. Then just put a normal balloon on the top of the bottle to collect hydrogen gas forming from this reaction between acid and this rusted iron nails. You can see small bubbles are forming on the surface of this rusted iron nails. These bubbles are actually hydrogen gas. This hydrogen gas will be collected in the balloon we just put in the top of the bottle. Since this reaction is too slow, it will take so many hours to make this hydrogen big enough to fly. Okay, anyway, 6 hours have passed. I don't have enough patience to wait for too long for this hydrogen balloon making. So I decided to just remove this hydrogen balloon by tying it with a small twine. So we can remove this hydrogen balloon now and see if it fly or not. Most probably, since the balloon is not fully filled with hydrogen, it will not fly, I think. But you can see here, it has just enough hydrogen to lift its side up like this. If we wait it a little bit more, we may have get the fully filled hydrogen balloon that can fly very nicely. Anyway, just test it by lighting it to fire. If it is filled with hydrogen, then it will explode. Let's see that. So the balloon exploded, proving that the balloon was filled. That's how we make hydrogen balloon from rusted iron nails. If you like this video, please hit the like button. If you are new to this channel, please subscribe for more chemistry related videos. See you in the next video.